know, while using Snapchat, we can block accounts from seeing our profiles, stories, and Snap like other social networking platforms. There are many reasons to block someone, but they are all put on list and forgotten, while you have to unblock someone later. You can view your block list on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to see blocked user on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Click on the icon at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings icon at the top right of your screen. On the Settings page, scroll downwards. Under Account Actions, tap on Blocked. Here you can see all the blocked users. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to see blocked users on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.